just hit the pookie lean.
Oh!
I'm not a nightmare, I'm all on her. Damn, her body is pink. Like you can see that shit right through her jeans. Might crash with this bottle. You want this dawn and you gotta say
Yes!
Shorty a motherfucking hoe like I told her to open her mouth and say cheese. I put a bitch on her knees. I might know right in between her teeth. I hear her friend out, she in disbelief. Cougar bitch, I might go and hit her knees.
Bismillah. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! 97 Lewandowski! This guy is... Allah, I sold.
That is just mental.
Nuggets or fries?
What? Yo, did I not hear?
Let's nuggets or fries.
What? Nuggets.
Eat tea or eat juice.
How am I supposed to eat?